Hey, it's Elden from Chapter 13 Interior. So this unique journey is actually in Khatib, a vibrant yet noisy neighborhood. So the main goal was to seamlessly blend the house by redesigning it, giving it a spacious feel incorporating an open kitchen and island that's perfect for hosting gatherings. Several design considerations and elements ensure both functionality and style, crafting a comfortable haven for the homeowner. We spent 4 weeks on the design stage, 2.5 months on renovation stage. Working closely with my mom, we crafted a layout, selected materials, and visualized the space in 3D. So right from the start, demolishing the old space to installing new system and adding the final touches, every step were part of the journey. So communication and flexibility were the key, and now my mom is overjoyed with the transformed place. So understanding the homeowner needs went beyond just discussion. For me, it's special because it involved living with her beforehand. So I've observed her lifestyle, considered her hobbies, and focused on practicality and comfort tailored to her. For example, she likes baking. So I factored in her height, the mixer size, the height of the oven, how accessible is it, and crafted a perfect island to ensure a comfortable and delightful baking experience. So as a designer, my approach is always to first understand the homeowner's desires and needs, then also work around the budget constraints. But of course, the most challenging part is always to blend their wishes with practical considerations. As much as possible, I try to incorporate both values. Hence, I have to prioritize what are the must-have and nice-to-have, making sure to achieve both aesthetic and practical values. So one of the more interesting materials that I used in this project was this thing called the COB LED strips. What's different comparing to the traditional LED strip is it's more seamless, the light when it shines. At the end of the day, it's brighter, yet low in energy consumption. Considering that my mom is an elderly, the material selection is quite crucial. So all the white laminates that I chose are more of a premium level, which has antibacterial properties and are fingerprint free. Why I chose these two? Because number one, it's easier to clean. Number two, she always have grandchildren coming over. So these are a more safe materials for her in the long run. Breaking away from sharp corners in most traditional designs, I introduced this rounded edge, which is also known as soft corners throughout the entire unit. So it transformed and softened the overall look and feel of the space. Okay, so this unique design also elevates the comfort of the entire house and create a senior-friendly environment, ensuring safety for the home users. So throughout the entire design process, choosing the right color of palettes has always been one of the tricky parts. So finding the right hues that can harmonize with the constant changing natural light has also become my mission. I spent time to understand the changes of natural light in the space to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. So what's the biggest challenge, you ask me? It's actually time. Because I promised my mom that she would celebrate her birthday in this unit. So I had this additional pressure throughout this design journey.